a pleasant way to be beneficial to others while earning money as a college student. A while ago, I was a college student. I thought that it might be possible to convene study groups as a way of earning money. Notably, convening test prep like GRE or even MCAT, medical school admission test. Well, it goes kind of like this. I noticed when I was a college student that I would float vaguely between objectives. The thing is, though, is that if I did things on purpose, I would actually do those things. So, imagine a person who is convening a group of people studying for the GRE, or even just studying anything at college. A GRE student who's willing to think about studying the GRE 20 hours, who's willing to pay $5 an hour, that's $100. So what you do is you advertise until you get 4 or 5 people who feel like studying for the GRE. And all they do is they gather at a room and then they study for the GRE. This is actually tremendously beneficial to them because as a result of doing something on purpose, they study a lot more, which benefits their future, possibly getting them into higher quality colleges or universities. While the person that convenes the study group is actually able to earn money doing not much of anything. Actually, they could just sit there with a tablet PC while the other people were studying the GRE. Now, this could also be applied to the MCAT, the medical school admission test, because people that convene to study medicine are likely to recognize that their earnings will be higher. So as a result, they might be willing to perhaps $7 or $8 an hour as a willingness to convene to amplify the amount of studying they actually do. So 4 or 5 of those people, well, 5 people at $8 an hour is $40 an hour, which is really pretty impressive for just putting up some advertising and gathering at a room. So that's something that I think that college students could do as a supplemental way of earning funds. Now, there's a little more to this. I was thinking about people that I'd viewed on YouTube who are actually just about to go to college. Now, those people might think, well, could I actually convene GRE students or MCAT students, even though, like, I have perhaps not absorbed all of the knowledge that one would absorb prior to graduate education? Well, I think that that's very possible because, you know, even if you're 17.93 or 18.01, basically what's going on is that you're advertising to get people to group together on purpose so that they're less lazy, basically, which actually tremendously benefits their future. Also, as a pacifist hippie, when I was really pleasant to make it so that one study group was completely complementary, then another study group, if they wanted to, could actually remit funds as part of the gathering process. At the one that people remitted funds, it's possible to serve vegan or vegetarian refreshments. So that would be the kind of thing that would give people the opportunity to say, well, yeah, I studied the GRE a couple hours on purpose. I could study a couple more hours on purpose, even more, with the group that gathers where they have a voluntary contribution. So there's actually another way that college students can earn even more with this. I've read that some college students are able to do things on computers to earn money. So if the person is doing something on their tablet PC to earn money, possibly with a college professor, while the other people are all studying the GRE or the MCAT, then perhaps they're earning $11 or $14 along with the other people who are contributing $40 an hour. So that's a way to make like $54 an hour sitting in a room with a tablet PC working for a professor while other people study the GRE or the MCAT as a way of convening as well as reinforcing, actualizing their preference to study. So I think a lot of people could do this if they felt like it. There are many, many thousands of universities. I'm going to urge people that I think are particularly wonderful to see if this is the kind of thing that they might want to see if it functions. Now, right now, it's May, so that suggests, well, it's summertime or it's springtime. It's actually possible prior to going to college to find these people that want to study the GRE or study the MCAT and then gather or convene groups. You could sample it, find out if it's actually functional. Then on actually arriving at college, you could do the advertising again with a product, basically, that works a little better. So it's the kind of thing that you can do right now, if you feel like it, to earn funds doing something that actually benefits other people's future.